Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We had some high winds. These eggs are cold. Oh, this one's cracked. Oh, little birdie. Oh, little birdie, I'm sorry. Oh. Mommy, are you in the tree still? Oh, goodness. This is so sad. Was it the high winds that knocked it out? If it was a predator, these eggs would all be eaten. Hi. Did you see what happened? Did you witness the accident? I'm sorry, little robins. Let me put you, where should I put you? Maybe I'll put you right here. There's really nothing I can do at this point. I wish I could have been here, noticed before. So there's a saying that I've heard different homesteaders use and farmers, and I imagine it's probably quite an old saying and not sure of the origins and who started it, but the saying is this: where there is livestock, there is dead stock. And I imagine that the same applies to nature in general. And although my heart's a little sad to see those little perfectly perfect blue robin's eggs not make it to full flight. This expression is something that we have to, as new homesteaders, start getting into our minds, because it's the truth. Nature is resilient, nature is strong, nature is so much mightier than we are. Even though we are also nature, and so we are also strong. But we have to get used to this idea that where there's livestock, there's dead stock, because inevitably that is going to happen here on our homestead, like all the other homesteads and farms out there. And I need to get stronger about this. Not colder, not to be mistaken with cold or uncaring. But stronger. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but I guess I'm just talking to myself more than anyone else. That got to get stronger about these things. Doesn't mean we don't feel, but we need to move on. And so I've left those beautiful, perfect little eggs in their nest. I don't know why. I don't imagine it's going to bring those little eggs any comfort, because I'm sure they perished a few days ago. But it brings me a little bit of comfort. Maybe that's a little selfish, I don't know, but that's what I did. Now, on to happier notes. On to moving on.